This is how I gave my cutting board rounded corners on the table saw. First, I set my miter gauge to 45 degrees. Then I lined up the cutting board so that the corner was just barely coming into contact with the blade. And I set my stop block on the inside of the cutting board. I went very slow making these cuts. I made sure to turn the saw off and wait until the blade came to a complete stop before moving the cutting board. I cut all 4 corners like this, and it gave me a consistent, uniform cut on each side. Now the corners look like this. I decided to give the cutting board a 1/8 inch round over. To get rid of the 45-degree chamfer on the edges, I use my random orbital sander to round over the corners. If you like this video, don't forget to tap or click that little thumb. If you're new here, check out some of my other woodworking videos. And if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.